Today I'm uncovering 10 Ikea hidden gems you probably have walked right past. Some of the best Ikea finds are hiding in plain sight, so today I'm revealing 10 affordable Ikea gems you probably didn't even know existed. They're clever, budget-friendly, and low-key amazing, and might just become your new favorites. I'm On, this is Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The first Ikea gem on my list is the KUGGIS Desk Organizer set. This one comes in 2 pieces for just $12.99 and is such an underrated find. The clean minimal design in soft neutral tones make it a dream for any desk setup. It keeps all of your little bits, cords, pens, sticky notes perfectly sorted and organized without messing up your aesthetic. You can use it to organize all sorts of things, from cables and chargers to makeup and stationery. It's really the kind of smart storage that looks so good at the same time. The next Ikea hidden gem on my list is the KOMPLEMENT Valet Hanger. This little guy costs only $5, and what it actually does is attaches to your wardrobe frame and gives you extra space to hang your clothes. It's perfect for planning your outfits for the next day, hanging freshly ironed clothes, or just keeping your blazer wrinkle-free while you work. It's minimal, sleek, and tucks right onto your wardrobe, such a tiny upgrade that feels surprisingly luxe. The next Ikea hidden gem on my list is the VARIERA Pot Lid Organizer. Now I know you've seen this one at Ikea, but did you know all of the things you can use this one for? Sure, it's great for taming chaotic pot lids, but people have been using it to organize all sorts of things throughout the home, from displaying books and record players to cutting boards, and even as a jewelry shelf. It's such a versatile Ikea find that can find many uses throughout the home, plus it's made from sleek stainless steel, it's sturdy, stylish, and ready to bring order to any part of your home. Now, before we jump into our next Ikea hidden gem, I want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor, FODERTRÅG, and share their gem for a clean and glowing face, their LED face mask, FAQ 202. As you already probably know, I've been using it for the past few months, and I have to say I'm genuinely blown away by the results. This new generation mask uses 8 different LED wavelengths, including NIR technology, which re-strengthens different layers of the skin and boosts your skin's natural healing process. It basically helps your skin heal and glow from the inside out. I've been using it 2 to 5 times a week, and my skin looks smoother, my tone is more even, and the redness I usually get around my nose is just totally chilled out. What I really love is how comfy this mask actually is. It's made with this soft, flexible silicone that actually fits your face perfectly, and it's wireless, ultra lightweight, and so easy to wear while you're working or just chilling on the couch. All you have to do is just start with a clean face, pop it on with the strap, hit the button, and let the light do its thing. I usually wear it for about 15 minutes while I'm watching YouTube, and it's seriously the easiest skin upgrade ever. So if you'd like to try out FAQ 202 or other FODERTRÅG bestsellers, click the link in my description box and use my code 35HOME to get an extra 35% off on almost all FODERTRÅG products, including the ones that are already on sale. It's a great chance to invest in your skincare routine at an amazing value, and you just don't want to miss it. Now let's get back to our Ikea gems. Next up is the HAVREKROSS Organizer that comes for only $149, and honestly, it's one of those "why didn't I get it sooner" kind of finds. With its sleek, minimal design and soft curves, this one blends into any modern setup, whether you're using it in your hallway, in the bathroom, or even the office space. You can use it for storing mail, sunglasses, or notebooks, plus a row of hooks underneath for keys, dog leashes, or reusable bags. It's really your small entryway's new best friend, and for under $2, a total steal that looks so gorgeous. The next Ikea gem I have for you is the SKOGHALL self-adhesive hook set that comes in a pack of 3 for only $3.99. With their slim, matte black finish and super minimal look, these hooks will blend seamlessly into any modern space. And what's even better, no tools, no drilling, just peel, stick, and hang. You can use them in the kitchen for towels or oven mitts, in the bathroom for hanging bathrobes, or by the entryway for keeping your keys and bags. They're renter-friendly, stylish, so versatile, and a real proof that small details can make a huge impact. Now, when we're talking about hooks, I just have to mention one more Ikea find that's such an organizing gem, and that is the KUNGSFORS Hook. Now, this one's just $5, but it's a total powerhouse for your kitchen. This sturdy stainless steel hook is designed to hang on a rail and hold multiple pans or kitchen utensils at once, which is so smart. It will help you free up cabinet space and keep everything within reach. Plus, it's sleek, durable, and super practical. It's just perfect for anyone who loves an organized, clutter-free kitchen with a modern edge. The next Ikea hidden gem is the Fertak Organizer, and for just $2.99 is basically the MVP of affordable organization. This clever little box can be stacked to create your own custom system or hung on the wall to save desk space. It's super handy for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anywhere you need to stay organized without the clutter. It comes in a few colors to match any aesthetic, and you can use it for everything from pens and paper clips to makeup, craft supplies, even chargers and snacks. Minimal, modular, and so multifunctional, it's tiny but mighty and totally deserves a spot on your desk or wall. Now, when we're talking about boxes, I just have to mention the KOMPLEMENT boxes that come in a few sizes and are a real Ikea gem. I love these so much. They are sturdier, more structured, and have a sleeker, high-end look that feels way more polished, plus are a serious upgrade from the classic Ikea scoop boxes. These ones slide perfectly into Ikea wardrobes or drawers, but can also work great on open shelves. You can use them to organize underwear, socks, accessories, office supplies, or even small kitchen gadgets. The felt material and clean design will make your drawers look calm and tidy, so no more digging through messy drawers. The next Ikea hidden gem is the ALFTA Adhesive Hook for frames. I don't know if anyone has ever seen this one, but for just $4.99, you get a 2-pack of pure renter-friendly magic. These little white hooks let you hang up art, frames, or even lightweight organizers without drilling a single hole. No tools, no damage, no stress. They are perfect for gallery walls, hallway updates, or just switching up your decor on a whim. Minimal, affordable, and seriously underrated, these hooks are a must for any DIY-loving renter. And the last Ikea hidden gem is the ELLOVEN Monitor stand with a drawer. And if your desk needs a glow up, this one's a total game changer for $29.99. The sleek metal finish gives it a modern minimalist look, while the built-in drawer is perfect for tucking away notepads, pens, and all the little clutter that usually lives under your monitor. It raises your screen to the perfect ergonomic height, which means less neck strain and a clean workspace. Stylish, smart, and super functional. And there you have it, 10 IKEA hidden gems that are super affordable and seriously smart additions to your home. If you liked this list, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button. For even more IKEA finds, I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you designers in the next one. Bye! Let's see what Mars is doing. He's been awake for just a bit of this video, I think. Let's go. Mars! Hey buddy! Are you awake? I just saw you turning, so don't play games. Hey. Oh Mars, you're such a cutie boy. You're such a cute boy. You hear me? Bye bye guys. See you next week.